In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how I created this ball bouncing animation using Not Video's asset model. After adding the 3D camera, I'm going to add the sphere model, which is the foundation of this creation. Then I imported the basketball texture material that I got from Pinterest. I increased the size until it filled the frame. Then I went to the model settings and selected the material as the texture. The texture appeared very large on the ball, so I'm going to reduce the size. I went to the more option, then changed the border type to mirror. With these, I was able to freely adjust the size of the texture without losing the material. To properly adapt to the background lighting, first I'm going to add the basketball court. Then I will go to the sphere render settings and change the material type to custom. I will also change the matte cap lighting to what best fits the scene's environment, and this way I was able to fake the environment lighting. I added more reflection and adjusted the light direction to match the scene's lighting direction. Now I'm going to keyframe the 3D camera position to create the bouncing animation. So I'm only going to be working with these few keyframes, and then I'll add the bouncing curve to the first keyframes. And now that I've got the curve set, we are going to add an expression to loop the bouncing animation rather than going through the stress of doing it manually. You can find more of Not Video expression code by clicking on the example option. And on this page, you will find more information and the functions of each expression code. So I'm going to copy the loop in code and paste it into the position property. And just like that, with one click, we now have an endless animation created from just few keyframes. To make the motion speed look more realistic, I enable motion blur effect and then adjusted the intensity to match the object speed. And lastly, I added the grain effects to introduce more realism and a bit of brightness to the texture, and that's basically by increasing the intensity value. So guys, this is more like a rough example of how to use the asset model along with the material lighting and the expression editor. So thanks for sticking around, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.